In this video, I will guide you on how to use a micro SD memory card on your TV. Now, this is going to work out for literally any TV you have. Over here, I do have a Skyworth Google TV, but whether you have a Hisense TV, an LG TV, a Samsung TV, an Android TV, literally any type or model of TV you have, by the end of this video, you should be able to connect and use a micro SD memory card like this one on any TV you have. Now, before we proceed, you actually need to get a micro SD memory card reader like this one. It actually has a USB dongle over here, and mine also have both a micro SD memory card slot and then an SD card slot at the bottom. I'm going to be leaving a link to this in the description of this video. So once you have this, you can literally just connect your micro SD memory card into the micro SD memory card slot on your SD card reader, and then you can proceed to connect it to the USB port on your TV. But before you do that, also keep in mind that for your TV to actually accept your micro SD memory card, it has to be formatted at MS-DOS FAT@32. But keep in mind that while some micro SD memory cards are already formatted to MS-DOS FAT@32 by default, some are not formatted at MS-DOS FAT32. But the process of doing this is quite simple, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it with your laptop or PC in a second. Now, on your laptop or PC, to format your micro SD memory card to MS-DOS FAT@32, you have to connect the micro SD memory card to your laptop or PC, either using your memory card reader, or if you have a separate adapter that actually supports a micro SD memory card, then you can just connect it and then connect to your laptop or PC. Also keep in mind that this is going to work out for your Windows laptop or your MacBook, and then you want to proceed to open up the File Manager application on your Windows laptop. If you're using a MacBook, then you would have to locate the Finder application. Now go over to this PC, and from here you should be able to find your micro SD memory card. And what you want to do now is to just right click on your micro SD memory card and then to select on the format option from over here, and then make sure you select on the MS-DOS FAT@32 as you can see from over here. Now what you want to do is to just go ahead and tap on the start option, then go ahead and tap on OK. But keep in mind that this is going to wipe out everything on your micro SD memory card, and you would have to reload it with your pictures, videos and files again. So go ahead and click on OK, give it a couple of seconds and you're good to go. The process is a little bit different if you're using a MacBook, but it is actually the same thing. Finally, now that our micro SD memory card has been formatted, you can go ahead and load it with your videos, photos, files, whatever you want, and then proceed to make sure you get your memory card reader. Insert your micro SD memory card into the card reader just as we have done before, and then you can connect the USB part of your card reader to any of the USB parts on your TV. Definitely your TV should have a USB port, so you can connect it to any of the USB ports on the TV. Now, once your micro SD memory card has been connected to the TV, you might actually get a notification like that one, letting you know that a micro SD memory card has been connected, and you can literally just open it up by tapping on the OK button on your remote control. But if you do not see any notification on your own TV, you do not have to worry. It is still going to work out pretty well for you. Now, what you want to do is to locate the media player application or media app on your TV. The location of this application can differ depending on the type of TV you have, but for most TVs, you would literally find the media player application or media menu from the input source section of the TV. So you would just have to go over to the settings and locate the input source menu and be able to find it somewhere around here. But if you cannot find it over here on your own TV, you might actually be able to find it as a separate application on its own. So if I go over to my app section over here, you can literally find my own media player application, which is basically this multimedia player. But if any of this option does not work and you're still unable to find the media player application on your own TV, then you can just install any media player app from the app store of your smart TV. In my case, I'll go ahead and open up my multimedia player from over here, and you can literally see my micro SD memory card reader. So I'll go ahead and open it directly from here, and now you should be able to find all of your videos, photos and even music and play them directly from your TV. So if I go over to downloads over here, you should be able to find some media files, and I can actually play these videos directly from here on my TV. You can literally see this is actually a video I recorded from my laptop. And if you also come out of this, if you go over to photos, you should be able to find some photos I actually just added. You can also use the control button on your TV's remote control to change between all of the pictures or images you do have on your micro SD memory card. And if you also do have some audio files, you can also play them directly from here as well. And I hope this was helpful, guys. If it was, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.